Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to change the first day of the week in Outlook calendar. Maybe you want to change it from Sunday to Monday or from Monday to Sunday, it's up to you, or even to maybe Wednesday. So it's going to be very easy and simple steps. So first you can log into your Outlook account. I'm using website version here. You can also use your desktop app. And after you log in, you can go to your settings in the top right corner here in the gear icon. Click on it. And then you can go to calendar here. Next, you can go to view and you will find calendar appearance. And there is option to change the first day of the week as you can change it. So the default setting is Sunday. So I'm gonna change it to Monday. So yeah, like this. And also you can choose another option here, but basically this is what we're looking for. And then you can just click save. After that, you can see your calendar in your Outlook and it will be from Sunday. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.